What's so wonderful about it, Davey? Well, it's me and you, innit? We're back. We thought we'd come back between Christmas and New Year 2022 to give the Madventure fans a little update on what's to come in 2023. Is that all right with you? All right, all right. I know you don't want to do this, but it's for the Madventure fans. They love it. They love me talking to you. They love you being on camera. They're just jealous of your physique. You're like a model on camera. Honestly, you'd do well down a catwalk, you. I think they'd have a bit of competition with you on the catwalk. What do you reckon? What do you reckon, guys? A bit of competition with Davey on the catwalk. Yeah, right. Come on, serious note now. Serious note. So yeah, guys, it's between Christmas 2022 and New Year 2023. And can you tell what's different? Yes, I've got to learn. You stop shouting at the camera because I've got a new mic. Can you hear what I'm saying on the new mic? How good is that? No more shouting at the camera. And we've got two new cameras. So we've got a GoPro Hero 11 in the middle. We've got an iPhone Pro Max on the right. And then on the left-hand side is the original GoPro Hero 5 that we'll be lucky to get a full vlog out of that if it cuts out or not. So let me know in comments below which do you like better, which is the better quality. I've got to tweak about with things because I've got to learn how to use these, to be honest with you. I've got a bit more professional apps now on the cameras, so I've got to learn to be prim and proper, aren't we, Davey? Prim and proper for you guys at home. And yeah, what did Father Christmas bring you guys? Did you get anything good this Christmas? Comment below, let us know what you got for Christmas, any regrets, anything that you think, yeah, that were a bit naff. Thanks for the socks, Dad. It's like, you know where it is, and you've got to pretend, yeah, this is a really nice present, Dad. I'm really glad I really wanted these socks for Christmas. So, yeah, let me know. Comment below. It'll be interesting, and it's a bit of a laugh as well. See what people got for Christmas, and I look forward to reading them. But for now, what we're here for is, like I say, it's a little bit of a play with the camera equipment, and to also let you guys know what's coming in 2023. So going forward, well, say going forward, we're actually go backwards, because when I left it about 2 years ago, just sort of switched off. It was 2019, and it was just I was just playing about with the boat. We end up I put bad fuel in the outboard, and end up having to ditch into Harwich as a bit of a rescue point for me and use the little outboard just to get me in there. Luckily, guys, the day it weren't too bad, the weather, so it was steady weather, nice calm seas, and the little outboard got us into Harwich. And then we discovered that it was a dodgy fuel, actually. But I've ended up limping here with my dinghy motor, a 2.5 horsepower outboard motor, and used my sails as well, because luckily there were enough wind in the right direction, so I've used the sails as a bit extra power to less power on the engine and not burning the engine out. So gutted is not the word. We've got that to look forward to. After that episode, we ended up sailing out there. I had a master plan to get me back to me mooring buoy, and just follow us for that. And then there's a little surprise coming as well. We had a little treat to ourselves as well after that one. And then it'd be fast forward another 12 months, because there weren't a lot happened, 12 months on, then the pandemic hit. And just at the end of the first lot of lockdowns, we were allowed a bit more movement. So me and my dad went down, fixed up the boat, got it re-antifouled, chucked it back in the water. And then we ended up doing the boat delivery. We decided to move up from Felixstowe to Hull then. And you'll see a little bit of a journey. Well, a little bit of a journey. It's about 4 episodes long. So I've sort of dragged it out a little bit. Let me know, see what you think with them. There's four vlogs of that, from Felixstowe to Hull, and that's my dad's first proper journey on a sailboat as well. So you'll get to see how my dad copes with a sailboat. And I'll be honest with you, it was like he's on his jollies. He just sat back, relaxed, and just went with the flow. So fair play to him. But you'll get to see all that coming up soon. I'll play you a little clip of that now. So have a little look at that now. What do you reckon, guys? Any good? Looking forward to it? So you've got that to come. So what we'll do is we'll play it out in 2023 to give me a chance to catch up and give you some fresh content. So 2023 is going to be fresh content now. We've also got, to be honest with you, I say fresh content. I've still got the trip from, went from Hull to Hartlepool as well in the summertime, and my brother joined me for that one as well. So that is another trip actually. I was just forgetting that. So you've got another trip with me and my brother, but my brother wasn't planning on stopping where he actually stopped. So you've got that to look forward to. I'll give you a little clip, a little teaser clip to that as well, what's to come with that. So this is a trip it's from Hull to Hartlepool, but my brother helped me with the delivery from Grimsby to, I'm not going to say where, so enjoy that. I'll give you a little clip now. So yeah, what do you reckon? Looking forward to it and that. Looking forward to it. Go, thumbs up, Davey, thumbs up. Come on, thumbs up. All right then. So that's that trip, and then it finishes off at Hartlepool then, and there goes GoPro Hero 5. I said to you, be lucky to get a full vlog out of that. So he's just stopped dead now. So yeah, we're currently at Hartlepool and looking forward to 2023. So fingers crossed we'll get a good summer again like we did in 2022. And the plan is, there is no plan. You know, guys, there's never a plan with me. Like last year, I planned to go to Whitby. I didn't go to Whitby. So if you'd like me to backtrack to Whitby, I'll backtrack to Whitby and we'll do a little trip down there, and I'll try and make it as fun as I possibly can for you guys. Other than that, there is a plan to head further north, because the plan eventually is to just circumnavigate around the UK. So yeah, probably a bit adventurous, but you only live once, don't you? And it might be the only ones that I get, really. So fingers crossed. Looking forward to it, nervous at the same time because there's some strong tides as you get further north as well. So looking forward to that. I'm gonna leave you at that and enjoy my turkey butty now. I'm sure you guys have still got turkey left over from Christmas. You can never have enough turkey. So wishing you a happy new year and stay safe, take care, and I'll catch you in the new year, guys. See you later. Go on, Davey. See you later. See you later. See ya. See ya. See ya. Bye. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your mates. I've got a question for you. Are you all turkeyed up? Still eating the turkey and stuffing from Christmas? You can never have enough turkey, can you?